shit in the Discord. By the way, they got kicked out because they're fucking scumbags. You know, no douchebags allowed. Remember that. Oh, I don't know. I just requested, bro. But the other 3 did from the other day, earlier this week. The ones I requested on Monday went through. I got that money in the fucking bank already. Money's in the bank. Watch. Hold on. I'm running out of fucking. Here we go. Oh, by the way, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back. Let's do a follow for a follow, guys. Trying to build up my Twitter. Habitual payout receiver. Now the money's going up too. It's not just getting a couple of payouts every month. Now it's starting to get fucking turned into real, like, legit money. All of it is legit, right? I'll take any of it. But look. The money hit the bank. I requested 6,000 on Monday, got Monday night around the same time. I requested Monday night, got approved Tuesday morning, and the money hit Wednesday morning. There it is. So hopefully, did I just got taken out? Oh, I got taken out of one. Am I going to get taken out of more? Come on, give me more. What did gold do? Oh man, look at gold. It fucking dropped more. You fuck. It dropped 8 more ticks. Fuck me. Whatever. That would have been another $80. I'm okay with that. I'm happy I got out of the trade. It was a mistake of a trade. Oh, another one. We're doing it, Joe. We did it, Joe. Look, the whole thing with me, and I've been saying this since I started streaming and since I started making videos. Yesterday was my 1-year anniversary. Hold on a sec. It's getting fucking hot back here. I'm going to put a stop here just in case. I'll be right back. It's fucking hot as fuck. Oh, all right. But I've been saying this the whole time. I could have quit. I went 7 months before I got my first ever payout, before I even was able to request. 7 fucking months of blowing accounts right there, just blowing through accounts, just doing awful, dumb fuck shit. I could have easily quit right before that first payout, but I'm glad I didn't. Just like when Apex denied me 8 times in a row and people were telling me to just walk away because they'll never pay me again. You know, and it wasn't about me. It was more about how they feel about Apex. Imagine I walked away. I got $7,745 since all of those denials, since everybody told me to walk away. Good thing I didn't fucking listen. The moral of the story is never fucking give up. Just don't do, like, obviously as your budget permits, right? If it's getting in the way of you paying your fucking bills, maybe you fucking get something else going. Start a second something. Get another job or sell a bunch of shit in your house that you don't need if you need the money, if you want to make money and have money for fucking prop firm shit. But don't give up on yourself. Don't quit. Because one thing I know is that winners never quit and quitters never win. Maybe just you got to change your whole fucking, if it's still not happening, something's got to change, right? You know the saying, like, nothing changes if nothing changes? Something's got to change. They say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting a different result. So you got to remember all that shit. And just remember that every fucking failure, all of the failure is getting you closer to success. Look at all these fucking denials. Look at all these denials. And I was pissed, right? I was real salty for a little bit. But I got over it. I made the adjustment. And look, I got denied on 113 and 114. I got denied for 510 and 519 bucks. Guess what happened? I then grew the accounts and requested 2,000 on those two and got approved. I got stopped out. All right. By the way, I got paid twice on 116. The first time I got 507, and then I got 2,000 the second time. On 117 and 118, these are the second payouts I requested. I got paid on 117 and 118 last week. And I'm already requesting again. So, like, you can't, like, at some point, like, hopefully, I just got tired of fucking sucking. I just kept doing dumb shit, and I cut back on the dumb shit. Once you cut back on the dumb shit, you should be all right. Hold on. Let me see what's going on here. This account. Oh, what? What am I in now? I'm in long? What the fuck just happened? No, whatever. This isn't a bad spot for a bounce anyway. Fuck it. Let's let it ride. I'll put a stop right here just in case. Oh, shit! AO 44. Hell yeah, bro. What up, Adrian? Damn, bro. But you know what? Adrian's gotten paid a fuck ton. NASDAQ Boiler Room, what up? Don't sell your stuff for cars for prop firms, please. Why not? I'm not saying sell the stuff you use. I'm saying you got fucking, like, I got a bunch of shit in my house that we don't use that I could fucking sell on the marketplace for money if I wanted to. Or eBay. That's what I'm saying. If you need money for prop firms and you don't want to use you don't have disposable income, sell shit that you don't fucking need anymore, that you'll never use again. People will spend money on the shit that you don't want anymore because they want it. One man's trash is another man's treasure. You got paid $20K this week, Adrian? Yeah, so you're good, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, it sucks blowing accounts, but you could just do it all over again. Yeah, Boiler Room. I'm not saying anything. I'm not telling people to fucking sell their car that they used to get to work to fucking buy prop firm accounts. I'm saying if you don't have a disposable income to fucking use on prop firms, sell shit that you don't fucking need, or go hustle. This shit that you could get on Craigslist that people are just giving away for free, that you could turn around and sell on the Facebook marketplace for money. I'm just saying you don't have to. There's no, you could figure out a way if you really want to do it. She don't even like to throw away. Oh, that's fucking gross. Yo, that shit. Yo, that's fucking funny, man. Yo, exactly. Like, yo, I could get my wife to fart in a jar. I'll sell farts in a jar if I need the money for prop firm accounts. Sell some farts in a jar. Take a video of her like rubbing her feet, sticking her foot in a jar, or taking off her socks and putting them in the jar and sell that shit. People will buy that shit. Oh, man. Well, not bad. I'll take it. I can't believe fucking look how much gold dropped, you fucking piece of shit. I got scared. 93. That shit dropped another 18 fucking ticks. That would have been another $180. Damn. That's rough, man. Whatever. I'm green. That's all that matters. Everywhere that I traded, I'm green. Adrian, yeah. I mean, you did a fucking great job. You got 20 G's this week. That's a good week. That's a good month. That's a good half a year for a lot of people. You did that in a week.
I still have it, bro. I haven't traded it yet. I'm gonna try to pass it. I'm up $600 on that 25K that I got for free. There was a credit for a 25K sitting in my account. We'll see what happens. But I don't like them. I don't like the 25Ks because the $500 daily loss limit will come at you quick. But I had it sitting in there, so I said, "Fuck it." I got it, and I got it up $600 so far. I need 1,500 to pass. Yeah, Adrian, I'm not worried about you, man. You'll be fine. This fucking price action is weak. I fucking fumbled the bag on the gold though. Damn. I had it. I mean, I was right. It popped a little bit. I was just like, you know what? It was a mistake of a trade anyway. I'm cool with how that played out. Am I approved yet? Let's see. Nope, still pending. It's only been 10 minutes. Anybody follow me on Twitter? Brutal fucking price action. Brutal. I wonder if we could get over this area of fucking resistance right here. You see that? You see where we're at? We got up here and rejected. See? Look. We hit right here. Look where it is. It's the bottom of this fucking chop zone. And it doesn't always happen that way, but it happens a lot, man. I was short gold, but I got scared. It was actually I got in by mistake. I think gold's gonna go up. I don't know, but it might pull back and hit this. It might hit this 618 right here and then bounce. I'm not sure. It just looks like it wants to fucking retest the all-time high. This is the daily chart right here. I could be wrong, obviously. It really all depends on all the fucking, you know, geopolitical fucking uncertainty. The more uncertain it gets, the more gold goes up. Oh, nice AL44. I got you, bro.
Boom. Right back at you, kid. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if he's trolling or not. I genuinely, at this point, I genuinely think he's whoever he or she really wants to learn, but I don't know. But he got a little butthurt by Fredo, breaking his chops a little bit. So we'll see. But I fine with me. I don't want to discourage the person from wanting to learn how to trade, but I don't know if the DCA gang Discord is the place to fucking ask a million questions. We're all focused on fucking trading and getting money in there. But those who want to help will help, and those who don't have to. You know what I mean? What up, Stealth? Well, I got approved for Monday's requests. Those I already got the money for. I just requested these two now. I just requested these two like 10, 15 minutes ago. Am I approved yet? No, not yet. But this money's already in my bank account. This 6,000 right here already in the bank. These are brand new requests. And then tomorrow's, I guess at the end of the day, sometime tomorrow, I'm going to be requesting on Top Step too. Boy! Oh, yeah, yes, of course, man. Yeah, nothing wrong with that at all. As soon as I get home, I got to go with my wife to a fucking rover visit. How exciting. It never fucking ends. Just moving and shaking all fucking day. This shit is fucking awful. Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking orders. It's probably a good idea. I haven't touched this account, but I'm going to do it anyway. You know why? Because fuck them, that's why. Gotta fucking make sure. I need to get more. I need to fucking get some more evals and pass more evals. Now that Apex is doing 80% off, I mean, I had 4 more coupon codes that I could have used after blowing accounts, but now I could get like 10 evals if I want. I don't know if I'm going to get 10 per se. I'll probably start with like 4 or 5. 12-point pop right there. Nice. Damn, look at me. So glad I got 2 fucking points. It's gone up another fucking 7. Oh, look where we're at. Same spot. Let's see. Let's see if it still holds. Let's see. I don't really have much time though. Their lights are about to go out on the field. But I'll take whatever I could get. I feel like that's fucking support right there. Fuck it. I'll get a little something, a little taste. Just a tip, if we can. Uh-oh. Maybe not. I should have taken the $15. Right here. Look, see here, 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 here. I don't know. Spencer, what up? What up, Spencer? Hope you're doing well, my man. It has been a while. Jamila. Oh shit, I was up. I was green like what? 2 point, not even 2 points. Damn it. It happened so fast. That's what she said. Oh, thanks, man. Thank you, sir. Oh! Let's lock it in. Shit's about to end over here at soccer. Oh, you fuck. That's fine. Nice little last second trade before this fucking. Yeah, they're packing up all the shit right now, too. It's 9:30. Soccer's over, so I got to bounce anyway. Got a little bit more. Look, I'm pretty much. I was at 4,900 starting the Monday trading session. I hit the daily loss limit, lost $2,400. I got it all fucking back, baby. Just about, right? Another $90 and I have it all back. I'm pushing this fucker to pass today. It's gonna happen. Maybe I'll do it during the overnight stream. We'll see. It really depends on what kind of price action we get. I'm pushing this fucker over. Mark my words. I've had it long enough. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. Let's refresh one more time for the stream. Be good, Coach G. I hope so. We'll see. If not, I'll
This holiday, Verizon will turn your old or broken phone into a gift. Trade in any phone in any condition and get Google
Order canceled. Order canceled.
are the trades that go from here to take profits, right? So why don't I just wait for the positions that put me in profit, then I move my stops to break even, and eventually it's going to go ahead and continue in my direction, right? So that's exactly what happened here. So price decided to put us in profit a little bit. I told everybody get out at break even. Then price pushes up, would have never quite hit our TP1, and price would have came back into the range. And why did price come back into the range? So whenever you see the markets look like this, you need to make sure that you're also learning why the markets came back, or what confirmations you could have seen in order for you guys to notice this happening a little bit sooner. So what happened was price pushed up, then we came down. So this candlestick right over here really told the whole entire story of where the overall market was going, because it closed back within this range, right? We closed back within this range. Once we started to close back within this range, we also broke this low over here. So now that's kind of like a break of the higher low structure, right? Because if we're breaking highs and respecting lows, we should be looking for buys. But once we start to break lows and respect highs, which we did right here, we broke lows and respected highs. So now this is lower high, and now you're waiting for confirmations to come back in the range, which this would have been your confirmation candle for that. You could have entered right over here, and you could have target over here, and that would have been a very, very nice trade with stop loss above here. Of course, you would have left runners if you guys decided to leave runners, but unfortunately, breakout did not play out yesterday, and just gave us a break-even trade. What, you're supposed to be upset at a break-even trade? Hell no. Managed our risk correctly on that trade, and we moved on. Okay, so gold as well, right? Gold as well. We see that gold is clearly I thought that this was a high. We were creating higher low, double bottom, starting to get a nice push, right? We enter based off this pullback over here with the break and retest. Then price puts you in profit about 44 pips. And then price, you move all your stops to break even at that point. And then price comes back down and stops you at a break even. Unfortunately, price now created a lower high, right? We have lower high, and you have your previous higher high. So if we cannot break this high, this will then turn into a lower high, and now price is now getting pushed down, breaking higher lows, breaking higher lows, breaking higher lows, and respecting highs, so creating lower highs on the way down. So again, beautiful management of this trade. You guys have to be willing to take break-even trades, because eventually you're just going to get beautiful trades, and then those break-even trades is what's going to help you guys preserve capital until the market starts moving in your direction. Okay, so then we woke up, of course, on US 30. You guys saw that already. Then we woke up, caught this banger on US 30 to put us more in profit for the week. So we'll continue shooting our shot. That's just what we do, and that's what we do best, bro. I'm not sitting here and telling you guys that I'm the best trader in the freaking world. No, I'm not telling you guys that, but I have 100% confidence in my trading plan and what we're looking for on a daily basis. That's why I'm going to continue to win. Not because I have the best strategy or whatever the case is. No, it's the belief I have in my strategy. And no matter what happens, no matter what sidetracks, no matter what losses, no matter what anything, I'm going to continue to shoot my shot. That is all I can do as a trader. I can only control my execution, and I can only control where I put my stop loss and how I manage my trade. I cannot control the markets. I can't tell the markets what to do, but those three things that I have full control over, we do extremely, extremely well. And I truly feel that you guys, by watching this on a daily basis, you guys are going to be able to do it as well. Of course, if you're asking me the right questions, I'll definitely freaking be here. What's up? Do you still have the bet? Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Let's take a look here. Dollar, how do we trade with you during New York session? Yeah, you could trade with me during New York session in the Signal group, which is 50% off right now. So just click the link down below. So now we got to go ahead and find we got to find a setup here, chat. So that's what we're going to be doing. So just bear with me here. I'm taking everything out of my watch list that we had for yesterday. And then we're going to go ahead and dive very deep into these markets. Is there any pairs that you guys are already seeing that are currently looking nice for our strategy, so that maybe you guys can help me do this a little bit quicker? Analyzed EU, please. Yeah, sure. We could do EU to start off the day. We switch it up a little bit. We usually start off either on gold or oil, but we could do EU. So for EU, you want to go up to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, you are getting a break and retest of this structure point. You have this lower high over here if you guys are looking for buys. to potentially target to, and you have this zone over here. So what you're waiting for is a closure below this zone over here. You'll wait for a closure below this zone, and then a strong candle that closes below should give you a lot of momentum into the sell side bias. Now, if you start to break up above this high, I'll be looking for buys to fill in this clean candle here. But overall bias does look a little bit bearish here for now. So sticking to that side might be your best bet. Okay, so that's my analysis here on EU. So we'll do GBP USD. Let's take a look at GBP USD. I have it right here. Give me a second. GBP USD. I don't know why it's in my future section, but same thing, guys. So same thing for GBP USD as well. We are kind of looking like we want to go bullish. So let me look at the 4-hour time frame and see if this is even a level to be interested in. And it kind of is, but it's not the cleanest level. Like I really wanted it to be right here. So we are currently breaking that zone. So what's your next zone that you can potentially target is this zone over here. If you can come down to this zone, then you have a pretty heavy level of support to then maybe bounce or reject or whatever the case is. But you should be able to push down within this range. If you start to get you got that break and retest, you have confirmation that you're staying within this range, so selling it would be your best bet. Stop loss anywhere above this candle high, and then moving your stops to break even around these wicks over here, because you do have wicks. And for me personally, I would not be targeting wicks on especially GU, because GU just moves a little bit too slow to be doing any of that. DAX is in a good range, waiting for a breakout. Yeah, that might be the trade that we're looking to take. So I appreciate you, my boy. Let's take a look at DAX. DAX is in a very beautiful range, and thank you for freaking pointing that out. So we might be looking to take a trade here on DAX. Okay, so we were also looking to take a trade yesterday on DAX. It set up pretty nice. Eventually, it did come up to the breakout zone and started to do this bullshit that we're currently seeing right now. I think it was somewhere up here. Started to range, started to not give any volume. One thing that I did notice yesterday was that there was a lack of volume. There wasn't a lot of volume in the market to see like these massive moves, right? Especially for like at least our session, which is like the beginning of London session, pre-London session. Not a lot of volume that came throughout that session. But that's normal, right? We had a lot of news in the morning, and we can go ahead and check out the news right now to see exactly how that's looking and how everything came out. We'll go ahead and do that as well. So we do have 1 hour time frame. You can potentially look for buys above here, but I would be careful with these buys above now, because we are getting a little bit of rejections coming from this zone rather than nice impulsive legs. So I'm going to make sure that I am patient and waiting for maybe even sells here, but honestly sticking to the trend would be nicer to buy. But if you start to break this low over here, we should be able to sell the market and start to look to target our zones down under here. I just and just continue in this range for the rest of the week, and then maybe start of the week next week you get a nice push outside of this range. How do you pick your time frames? I just go down the list, brother. I don't really pick any time frames. I'm really just going down the list, top-down analysis, and then understanding what each time frame is telling me, and then not forgetting what the higher time frames are telling me in terms of the overall market. So for me personally, the overall market here is clearly bullish, so taking sales is going to be a little bit riskier. But I do see sales potentially playing out, because we have been up here before, and we have came all the way down here from this level. So I just gotta wait for some strong confirmations. Buys above would be nice if we can get an hourly candle to close above these highs. I'm not looking to trade anything within this range. This range is extremely freaking ugly, so I won't be looking to do that at all. Hi doctor, when do you know which time frame to wait for closes? Sometimes I see you wait for the closures on 15-minute or closure on 30-minute. When do you decide? So if it's like GJ or like EJ, I'll most likely wait for a 30-minute candle closure. But if it's gold or like something that's more volatile, you want to get in a little bit earlier, right? So that you don't miss that move. You might see me take a 15-minute time frame based off that. But guys, remember, just because you see me taking a 15-minute candle closure doesn't mean that I couldn't have waited for the 30-minute candle closure and get stronger confirmations. The higher time frame closure you get, the stronger it is. So if you can even wait for an hourly candle closure, I promise that you could possibly catch nicer moves and not get faked out as much. Okay. So that would be my idea. So as of right now, we're just currently sitting within this range here on DAX. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys are looking for a DAX trade. Put a 2 in the chat if you guys are looking for maybe some risky sells under here, and then we'll be looking for safe buys here. So I am very interested in DAX here for today, and I think we can get a pretty nice move coming from this zone. If we get a strong candle closure, we should be looking good. If we don't, then not good. Okay, so I'm gonna move DAX to my daily watch list, so everybody should be doing the same, and your chart should just look exactly like mine. Okay, I'm kind of willing to take sell positions on DAX as long as I have a nice stop loss I can put my stops at. I might be looking to take sell positions on NAS. All right, gold buys. We'll take a look at gold right now. That's going to be our next thing here. So I wouldn't say, I think that the overall market is definitely bullish on gold. But right now, what are we looking for? We're looking to see what is price projecting at this level. And you guys can clearly see we have this zone right here that we have been getting right here. So we did come back down and retest previous structure here. And we do have like these highs over here that we are currently respecting as well. So notice how we start to get like a nice big 4-hour candle range, 4-hour range. Now you have your zone over here. And then you could potentially look for targets underneath here as well if you guys are looking for that too. And then you can potentially see your boom, boom, boom. You have your zone over here as well. Okay. So inside 4-hour imbalance, yes sir. USD CAD. It may be a little strange as pair, but Euro odd. Yeah, I'll take a look at Euro odd for you in a bit. Just like let me make sure I do my analysis real quick, and then that way I can help you out with yours, so that we don't have to be rushing into our trades and we can know what we're waiting for before the market picks up volatility here. So this will be sells below a closure. So now you're in your hourly candle range and you want to wait. I do believe that we are currently respecting like a trend line formation here for that continuation to come on the sell side trade. So I'm leaning more towards sells because this is an impulsive phase in the market, and then this is now looking like a correction phase. So waiting for sell side bias trades would be most likely your best bet. But making sure you still wait for those confirmations. This will be your first TP for sell side trade. All right, so just wait patiently, and we'll be waiting for most likely sells below here, maybe even taking a sell once we break some sort of structure over here, because once we break maybe this low, we created this high. If we come down, break this low, we maybe come